Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove all of your viruses in your Windows in a very simple way. So what here we can do, we can simply come over into the start icon and click on the right mouse button, and then here we will going to find settings. If you click on it, then the settings bar will be open. And then here we need to come for the privacy and security options. So if you click on it, and then here you will going to find out Windows security. So if you click on it, and then there will be an option called virus and threat protection. So if you click on it, you will get virus and threat protections bar opened. And now here you will find the option called current threats. And as you can see, I don't have lots of threats for my computer because it's showing a green right screen. So here you can do what? You can simply click on quick scan for scanning a quick optimization for your Windows, or you can simply click on the scan options, and then here we'll find 4 different categories for scanning your Windows device. So there is full scan, custom scan, and Microsoft Defender, antivirus, offline scan. So there are quite a lot of categories. So if your computer you think have some malware problems, or maybe you have viruses, then you can simply go for a full scan. Also, we can do a custom scan, but I will not go for these options right now. I'm here to show you a quick scan that it really works and it removes your viruses from your computer. So now if I just click on the scan now, it will quickly scan and optimize my computer and remove all the viruses from my device. It's scanning, you can see right now. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.